This is the last sunset of the year, the last sunset of the decade, and a lot of people out here to watch. One of my favorite spots, you'll notice I've got the iPhone going for a time lapse. I'm shooting this right now on a Sony A7 III. I'll be capturing some photos and some video as well. And I just thought it'd be great to come here and check it out together. I'm a lifelong photographer, writer, and video maker. If I'm known for anything, it's being a regular down here, Manhattan Beach, many mornings. I love to document the early, quiet mornings. The earlier the better, about half hour before sunrise. It's just magical, but even more magical in the winter, these killer sunsets. The trick in doing a great sunset shot is to figure out where your position is going to be. When I got to the beach, it was clear that the sun was setting on the left side of the pier, not on the right. So I wanted to be over here to catch it, and then you had to be far enough away from the pier so that you could actually pick it up with a wide-angle lens, hence the ultra-wide angle on the iPhone for the time-lapse and my 24mm on the Sony. So what's really interesting about our winter sunsets is that as cool as the actual sunset is, what comes right afterwards, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes later, is even more amazing with a really nice collection of colors. We're going to find out if we're going to see them. And another nice thing, if you're going to do a sunset picture here in Manhattan Beach or somewhere similar, is you want to have the pier in your foreground. Really adds a nice touch. This pier in December lights up. Right now it's faintly lit, and in about a half an hour it will really light up the sky. So this was a really good sunset, but it was no way was it the best sunset of the year nor the decade. Let's take a look at some other sunset shots. So that's our last sunset of the decade. From now on, it's on to 2020. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, please subscribe to the Photowalks channel. Please like, please share, please comment. Speaking of comments, have any questions about how to shoot sunsets, where to go, what kind of gear to use? I'm here to help. Just leave them in the comments below or look for me on Twitter or Instagram where I'm at Jefferson Graham. Please stay tuned for more Photowalk videos. They're coming right up. And where are we going next time? You're gonna have to tune in to find out. See ya on the next Photowalk.